How many burnouts, donuts?
I've done one donut.
Welcome back to episode 3 of Meet My Car. We've got Guy here. You got Instagram?
Yeah.
It'll be on the screen, so make sure you give him a follow. We've got his Stage 2 M3 here, which we're going to go over. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe, comment down below, like the video, and make sure your bell icon's on, and make sure you go and give him a follow as well. Now, this is actually quite a nice car. These I have a bit of a soft spot for these, even though we pretend we don't, hey? But we're going to jump straight into this one. We've just finished recording the other one of Soph's, which you'd have seen already, so it's like, kind of like, well, it's not Inception, is it actually? No, what is it when it's after? Not a fucking clue.
You have or haven't?
No, I'm figuring out how to start it.
Oh.
Am I in the shot?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks cameraman.
Sorry.
How did I start the last one?
I can't even remember.
My brain's just gone like
Match day.
fucking cardboard. Meet My Car, episode 3. We got an M3. Wait, that's like, yeah, that's some of that. M3 for an episode 3. It's about right. So we're going to go around the car, talk about everything, what's on it. So front of the car, have you done anything like changes to that?
Just 12mm spacers on front, stud conversion, under the bonnet, but we'll get to that, I'm sure.
Yes, we will. Definitely will.
Other than that, I mean, I've got some cheap 763M reps.
Yep. Okay. No, that's about it.
That's about it.
What about side of the car? Anything changed on the side?
No.
No.
Exterior wise, it's fairly standard. It's 15mm space on the rear.
Yep.
Just like I said, 12mm on front.
Okay. Do you know for the wheel setup, what wheel setup you got? Do you remember? Like as in tyre size?
Rear is 275, 35, 19. Front is 245, 19. No, 245, 35, 19.
I'm glad you can remember that because I can't remember mine. I just wanted to see what I remembered. So while you're driving it, we'll just get back to the exterior in a minute. Is there any issues you found driving? Does it grip quite well, or does it? I mean, because obviously you drive it as you should.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. But yeah, what's it like when you're driving it?
In the wet, it likes to step out on my way here.
Yeah.
I dropped a second gear and didn't really even give it that much throttle in it.
No. Does it make your bum all twitch a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it would me as well. All right. So back to the exterior. Exhaust wise, what exhaust system you got?
So it's a D-cat primary. Still got a secondary cat. And there's a mod on the back box that they do, but I've got it when I got the car. It was already done.
Right. Okay.
So other than that,
so brand wise for the D-cats, what brand are they?
they're from a firm called Modstock Exhausts.
Okay.
So he's like the guy you go to on the forum to get
Yes.
these modded. Yeah.
Which seems to be sometimes better than some actual proper
Yeah.
companies as well.
I think they're loosely
You tend to
based off
find.
the Tegawa's test bikes.
Oh right. Okay. Yeah. So I mean, it does sound quite nice. We heard it come in. But obviously you guys are going to hear that later on in the video, so stay tuned for that. So interior wise, have you done anything on the interior?
Just a few little cosmetic things. The M button on the steering wheel, that's just like a polar blue and
Yeah.
start button. I've had the steering wheel retrimmed from Royal Steering Wheels. This year, because I've had it 3 years now, I just thought I'm not going to be able to do it any other time, so I might just do it this year and just redo the whole interior, get the seats out, get them retrimmed, get all carbon bits in, that sort of stuff. So
It's like one step at a time, isn't it, when you've got a project?
Yeah.
It's like you want to do everything at once, but you just can't do everything because you ain't got the time nor the money either. So to be honest, the car itself, I mean, it looks really nice, but it's mainly still stock, isn't it, for the exterior?
Yeah.
But there's a reason behind that, isn't there? Because obviously the money you've spent is under here, which we're going to get onto.
It's on KW height adjustable springs. That's the only.
Oh right, okay.
Suspension.
Yeah. So that's the. Do you find that better than stock? Or
100%.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah.
It's got adaptive dampers from factory, which are like night and day.
Yeah.
But I wanted to keep that when I did the suspension because I didn't want to get rid of that factory option.
Right.
It's just nice to have.
Yeah, it
So
is.
you can turn it on let's have some
Yeah,
roads
and then turn it back
turn it
off.
off
Yeah.
when it comes to town. So.
Yeah, see that's a handy thing to have actually. On one of
Yeah.
these. We're not even spoke about exactly what it's running. So roughly, you say you know exactly what it's running. So as we mentioned earlier, it's stage 2. So people who obviously have an M3 probably know roughly what a stage 2 runs. Me personally, I don't. So he's going to tell you now. Soph's on the way back, but you can hear her. But he's going to tell you now exactly what's the car's got.
So 410 horse, 300 foot-pound. That's been on dyno. The Jedwis Developments in Bolsover.
Is that where you had it mapped as well?
Yeah.
So with that power, can you feel a complete difference now it's been mapped to what it was stock?
It picks up a lot better.
Yeah.
When you get on throttle, it's a lot more responsive. I mean, it was before.
Yeah.
These are known for being on throttle, you know. But
So the question is, how many burnouts, donuts, any of that sort of stuff? You're joking.
I've done one donut.
On private land. On private land.
Yes.
So you've done. When I said I'm joking, Soph's behind the camera just doing this. So you've done one donut. How did that go?
Alright.
Did you feel
It
bad
was
for your
wet.
tyres? Was it?
It will wet, so it would, you know, it won't do it in the dry.
No,
At all.
no.
At all. Especially with these tyres on it. But yeah.
Right. So engine-wise, what's been changed underneath there?
It's just got a Eventury matte carbon finish, induction kit and plenum. So
Carbon.
It's nice and nice.
Price tag on that. I know about that. Soph, do you just want to come in this video or what?
No, I'm just going to take the piss from behind here.
She's doing sign language at back at camera. So obviously we've seen that. You've seen that on the screen now. Now that actually looks really nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, was it worth it?
100%.
100%. Yeah, definitely worth it.
If you've got an M3, do a buy.
Do a buy. Do a buy. Say bye to your bank account, but do a buy. So anything else you've done underneath there?
There's just some coil covers that are ring carbon as well.
Yeah.
They were a world first actually.
Oh, was it?
No one ever had them before.
Where did you get them from?
Just a private carbon company. It's one guy called Carbon Class.
Right. Okay.
Really good quality stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, he makes plenums as well, but he just takes the stock one, takes the top off, puts his carbon bit on.
Ah,
on top.
okay. Yeah.
With the Eventury one, it's
all carbon. Yeah,
yeah.
you can tell it's all carbon
Yeah.
as well. So what we're going to do now is Guy's going to get the GoPro, he's going to stick it on his forehead and he's going to go and have a drive.
Can't put your seatbelt on.
They get some right looks with this on your head.
Or people looking at me funny.
What's that lanky, specky ginger twat doing that thing on his head?
It's alright, there was a coffee sat on the ground while when I went up. I was like, hello.
Gog.
Take you somewhere to do a donut.
What?
You have to watch it just here because there is a bit just where, just as it kinks round, it's really slippy. It's like a different bit of tarmac. It's awful. I did warn you.
Saved it.
I want to watch that back.
Yeah. Well, because it was your arm coming across like this.
I was like, if you want to get rid of me, you don't need to put me in a ditch.
What are you doing?
Now, there's a funny story about this next bit of road. It's where I got my last speeding ticket.
Okay, I'll stick it said it.
Automated cameras are spicy.
I don't know how fast I'm going. I think if traction was fully off, then I would have probably binned it.
I thought we were binning it, to be fair.
No.
That's the first time you've nearly binned it with me in the car.
Yeah. It's quite calm through that, surprisingly. I think it's just.
Do you know what went through my head? It was, oh my god, how angry is he going to be if he bins? Wasn't bothered about my death. I was bothered about how angry he would be. Bit of central reservation for breakfast.
Breakfast?
I've nearly been to there, so I should know.
Yeah, nice indicator.
Typical Ford driver.
He had dope in his rear window.
He is a dope, that's why. It's what Ford.
Not so dope.
Rear struts going through.